They smell amazing. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to me, Chris, and my name is of course Chris. And just to let you know, if you are brand new to this channel, the first thing that you really need to understand is that my face never ever looks like it's been kissed by the sun, ever. Right now, I am so red. If you watch my previous video, you'll see me sitting on a beach, making my intro and my outro for all of my video. That's why I currently look like the sun and I made out with each other. And also the fact that my face looks like it's full of oil because I'm trying to stop my skin from peeling. Oh, that oil to stop the skin though. Woo! Damn! So while we go back to normal and I reintroduce who I am, what's up? My name is Chris and welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we get into anything, if you guys want to stalk my life and see what I get up to, all of my social media links are in the description box below. You have my Twitter, my Tumblr, my Instagram, and my Snapchat. Go check them out. Go see what I get up to because I post a lot on there, more so than I ever post any of my videos. And Snapchat is probably the best place to find me. Now that we have that out of the way, today you guys, I am doing an unboxing on my channel. I went and bought myself a pair of Gucci sneakers, so I want to show you guys what they look like, and also because I have a mild obsession with shoes. Also, I have a thing for shoes. Like, I really like shoes. But anyway, we're gonna get straight into this. Cue the montage, Mr. Me! I'm just gonna go cue that montage one second. Well, you guys, these are the shoes. They are by the good people at Gucci. You can see them right there with the red and green on the back. They have the tiger on the side, so the tiger on either side of the shoe. They smell amazing. They smell like brand new car / brand new leather, and that's how you want them to smell. And you've got little Nightman on the bottom. So you guys, there are a couple of things I will tell you about these shoes before you think about buying them and before I sign this video off. So let's get into it. First thing is first, these shoes, my friends. These shoes are so not cheap. So if you're thinking you're gonna go spend about $200-300 on a pair of Gucci sneakers, think again. These shoes are 860 AUD. So that means they're not gonna be cheap anywhere unless you buy the knockoff versions, and I do not endorse knockoff shoes. I always go and buy the real schniz. Number two, these shoes are not sized like your regular Nikes, your Cons, your Adidas, whatever other kind of shoe you go out there and buy. These sneakers are not sized like your regular shoe. I'm normally about a 9 or a 10 in all of my sneakers. These shoes I had to go down to an 8.5, and also they are leather, so they will stretch probably half a size as well. So you'll end up with about a 9 if you're buying an 8.5. If you're buying a 9.5, you'll end up with 10, and so on and so forth. Number three, the third and final most important thing you want to do is make sure you look after these bad boys. So invest in a good leather cleaner. I don't currently have one in my room, it's somewhere else in the house, but invest in a good leather cleaner, or at least something to protect the leather on these bad boys, because you don't want them scuffed and marked and with all the other crap that happens when you walk around in shoes. You don't want it to happen to these because you're paying enough for them, and also you just don't want them to get ruined, because look at that. They're so nice. How would you want these to get ruined in any capacity, fam? Don't do it to yourself. Look after your shoes. Well, you guys, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to go flick that subscribe button and lick that thumbs up, because you know what's up when you do it. You give me a little bit of love, I'm going to give you some more videos. And hopefully those videos will be coming out once a week on a Friday or a Saturday, dependent on when I get the things done. But I aim to get them up once a week for your sexy faces to enjoy And also, while you're at it, go stalk my life on my Instagram, my Twitter, my Tumblr, and my Snapchat, because things are up there all the time, more than they're up here. It's literally like having a daily vlog. And I think that's it. I think I've covered everything today. By the way, if you want to grab any Oscar and Oliver watches or hats, the links are in the description box below. And for all of you sitting here like, what the hell are you talking about? This is what I'm talking about. Talking about these bad boys, they also come in tan, which I don't currently have anywhere next to me. But these hats are a black and a white, and also a tan and a black, and also the classic line watches, which are blacks and whites, which is currently not focusing with the camera, that are not playing nice. But anyway, these watches are up for sale on oscarandoliver.com.au. This is my baby, and I will link the video somewhere where I actually have the announcement for these bad boys. I launched my label last year under the name of Oscar and Oliver, so it's not actually merch or anything for this channel. It's just a label that I have created and I've been working my butt off on. If you guys want to go grab these, they come in white. Why is my camera not focusing with me? Oh well, we'll set it there, that's fine. They come in white, they come in black, the hats come in black, and they come in tan. They are currently on sale on the site, so you can go grab those. And I will send you some love if you do. But anyway, you guys, I will see your sexy faces the next time I make a video, which will be next week. So I love you guys, and I'm gonna see you then. Bye! Mwah!